Hello fellow adventurers and welcome to our journey through Tbilisi, Georgia. I am your host, inviting you to join us as we delve into the heart of this captivating city nestled in the Caucasus. With its rich history, vibrant culture and striking contrasts, Tbilisi is a city that will leave you spellbound. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, an architecture enthusiast, or simply a traveler with a thirst for new experiences, Tbilisi promises an unforgettable adventure. We're going to explore the top 10 things to do in this city that truly has something for everyone. From ancient fortresses and serene Orthodox churches to bustling markets and a thriving arts scene, Tbilisi is a city where the past and present harmoniously intertwine. So buckle up and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Did you know that Tbilisi, the capital of Georgia, was once a significant stop on the Silk Road due to its strategic location? Well, today it's a vibrant city that blends the old with the new, offering a myriad of experiences for every traveler. Nestled in the heart of the Caucasus, Tbilisi is a city of contrasts where centuries-old traditions coexist with contemporary flair. It's a melting pot of cultures, brimming with remarkable architecture, delightful cuisine, and warm-hearted locals. This city, rich in history, stands as a testament to resilience, having withstood invasions, natural disasters, and the test of time. The result is a unique urban environment, where the past and present harmoniously intertwine. Its streets speak volumes about its storied past, with each corner revealing a piece of its fascinating heritage. From its serene Orthodox churches to its bustling night markets, Tbilisi is a city that truly has something for everyone. In this video we'll explore the top 10 things to do in this captivating city. Starting our journey with a glimpse into the past, the Narikala Fortress, a medieval citadel, offers panoramic views of the city. Towering over Tbilisi, the fortress has stood the test of time, surviving the rise and fall of empires, earthquakes, and invasions. Built in the 4th century, Narikala has served as a Persian citadel, an Arab emirate, and a royal residence. Today it stands as a testament to the city's rich history. Walking through the Narikala Fortress, you can almost hear the whispers of the past. See the ruins of the Church of St. Nicholas, rebuilt in the late 20th century, its frescoes a vibrant splash of color against the fortress's ancient stone. Imagine the lives of the people who once walked these grounds, their stories etched into every stone. A visit to Narikala is like a journey through time, a must-do for history enthusiasts. The fortress is not just a monument but a living, breathing part of Tbilisi's history. From the heights of Narikala, we descend to the bustling life of Rustaveli Avenue, Tbilisi's main thoroughfare. A place where the city's heartbeat is most palpable, where local life and culture intertwine seamlessly with the rhythm of modernity. Every step taken on this avenue unveils a different facet of Tbilisi. Here you'll find an eclectic mix of attractions from the grandeur of the Georgian National Opera Theater to the contemporary Rustaveli cinema. Lined with a variety of shops, you can delve into a treasure trove of local crafts, antiquated bookstores, and high-end fashion outlets. The avenue is also a gastronomic delight, boasting a plethora of restaurants and cafes. Savor traditional Georgian cuisine, indulge in a warm khachapuri, or sip on fine local wines while watching the world go by. Venture off the main path and you'll discover charming side streets teeming with character and local charm. Rustaveli Avenue is the heart of Tbilisi, pulsating with life and energy. Next, we delve into Tbilisi's unique wellness tradition at the sulfur baths. Nestled in the heart of the old town, these baths have been a cornerstone of Georgian culture for centuries. The warm, sulfuric water, known for its healing properties, is sourced directly from the ground, providing a natural and invigorating spa experience. Imagine sinking into a pool of warm, mineral-rich water as the stresses of the day melt away. The sulfur in the water is believed to have numerous health benefits, from improving skin conditions to relieving joint pain. Many visitors also opt for a traditional massage, which is as relaxing as it is rejuvenating. After a day of exploring the city, there's nothing quite like unwinding in the soothing warmth of the sulfur baths. The scent of sulfur, while initially strong, soon becomes a comforting reminder of the healing taking place. A dip in these baths offers a rejuvenating experience that is quintessentially Tbilisi. Moving on from the baths, we find solace in the serene surroundings of the Holy Trinity Cathedral. Nestled in the heart of Tbilisi, this imposing structure is more than just a place of worship. It's a testament to the resilience and faith of the Georgian people, an architectural marvel that resonates with the city's rich history. The cathedral's grandeur is evident in its intricate designs, towering spires and lavish interiors. Its golden dome, visible from various parts of the city, is an iconic symbol of Tbilisi's skyline. Each corner of the cathedral tells a story, each stone echoes with whispers of the past. But the Holy Trinity Cathedral is more than just an architectural masterpiece. It's a spiritual haven, a place where locals gather to find peace, seek guidance, and celebrate their faith. It serves as a beacon of hope, a symbol of unity, and a cornerstone of the local community. The Holy Trinity Cathedral, with its spiritual aura and architectural grandeur, is a sight to behold. From spiritual solace we move to a marvel of modern architecture, the Bridge of Peace. This pedestrian bridge is an emblem of Tbilisi's modern spirit, gracefully spanning the Mutkvari River and connecting the old with the new. Its futuristic design, a stunning display of steel and glass, is a sight to behold, especially when it's illuminated at night. The bridge's design isn't just about aesthetics though. It's a symbol of the city's forward-thinking ethos. Its sweeping curves and fluid lines represent the flow of time and the city's progress into the future. But it is more than just a bridge. It's a meeting place, a space for contemplation, and a stage for street performers. It's a place where people come together, where cultures intersect, and where Tbilisi's vibrant energy is palpable. The Bridge of Peace, a symbol of modern Tbilisi, is a testament to the city's progress and development. Next on our list is an amusement park with a view, Metatsminda Park. Perched atop the Metatsminda mountain, this park is a delightful blend of fun-filled activities and spellbinding panoramas. As you explore the park, you'll come across an array of attractions that cater to all ages. With its thrilling rides, a fascinating Ferris wheel, and a captivating television tower, there's always something to enjoy here. The park is also renowned for its captivating views of Tbilisi. As you ascend the mountain in the funicular, the city unfolds before your eyes in a breathtaking panorama. From the old city's charming architecture to the modern skyscrapers that pierce the sky, the view from Metatsminda Park is nothing short of spectacular. If you're a foodie, don't miss out on their famous restaurant, which serves delectable Georgian cuisine. After a day of fun and adventure, you can relax and enjoy a meal while soaking in the city's mesmerizing skyline. Indeed, Metatsminda Park provides fun and frolic with a dash of breathtaking vistas. Leaving the amusement park behind, we dive into the city's cultural hub, Fabrika Tbilisi. This spot, once a Soviet-era sewing factory, has been innovatively transformed into a thriving haven for the city's burgeoning art scene. It houses a multitude of art spaces where local creatives showcase their talent, from contemporary paintings to experimental installations. But Fabrika is more than just a gallery. It's also a bustling social hub, brimming with eclectic cafes serving everything from locally sourced Georgian delicacies to international cuisine. As you sip on a cup of artisanal coffee or sample a homemade khachapuri, you can mingle with Tbilisi's vibrant community of artists, locals, and visitors alike. And don't forget the shops. Fabrika hosts a variety of boutiques offering an array of unique locally made goods. From bespoke clothing to handcrafted souvenirs, there's something for everyone. Fabrika Tbilisi is a hotspot for art lovers, foodies, and anyone seeking a vibrant cultural experience. Next, we immerse ourselves in the rich heritage of Georgia at the Georgian National Museum. A melting pot of culture and history, this museum showcases the compelling narrative of Georgia from ancient times to the present day. Housing an assortment of exhibits, the museum offers a fascinating peek into the past. The archaeological treasury is a highlight, showcasing intricate gold artifacts from the Bronze Age, a testament to the region's ancient civilizations. The medieval treasury, on the other hand, transports you to a time of knights and kings, with its display of precious jewelry and religious objects. If art is more your thing, the Niko Pirosmani exhibition is sure to captivate. Celebrating one of Georgia's most loved painters, it's a vibrant splash of color and emotion that encapsulates the spirit of Georgian art. The museum also pays homage to contemporary Georgia, with exhibits that reflect the country's recent history and evolving identity. The Georgian National Museum is a treasure trove of Georgian culture and heritage. We conclude our journey with a taste of Georgia's famous wine at a local winery. Georgia, the birthplace of wine, boasts a viticulture tradition that spans over 8,000 years, and this tradition is deeply woven into the country's cultural fabric. As we step into the winery, the aroma of fermenting grapes fills the air, hinting at the rich flavors that await. Here, wine isn't merely a beverage, but a tale of the land and its people. Each bottle carries a story, a melody of the Georgian landscape, and the passion of its vintners. You'll get to sample wines made from unique grape varieties, each with its own distinct character. The tasting session is a journey through Georgia's vibrant wine heritage, one sip at a time. The wine here is more than just a drink, it's a testament to Georgia's resilience, history, and spirit. With a glass of fine Georgian wine, we toast to the unforgettable experience that is Tbilisi. From historical sites and bustling streets to serene cathedrals and vibrant cultural hubs, Tbilisi offers a diverse array of experiences. We've journeyed through the ancient Narikala Fortress, a silent witness to the city's rich history. We've traversed the lively Rustaveli Avenue, the city's pulsating heart. We've indulged in the therapeutic sulfur baths, a unique Tbilisi experience. Then there's the towering Holy Trinity Cathedral, a beacon of faith and tranquility. We've crossed the futuristic Bridge of Peace, a symbol of Tbilisi's modern aspirations. We've enjoyed the panoramic views from Matatsminda Park, a haven above the city. We've explored Fabrika Tbilisi, a vibrant cultural and social hub. We've delved into Georgia's heritage at the Georgian National Museum. And finally, we've tasted the exquisite local wines, a testament to Georgia's millennia-old winemaking tradition. With its blend of the old and the new, Tbilisi is a city that will captivate you with its charm and leave you yearning for more.